Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.